guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as the title says, is an unboxing video. So I did pick up some things from Sephora, and I also ordered a few things from Ulta, and both of the boxes came at the same time. So I was like, why not do an unboxing video? So hopefully you guys enjoy. Before we get into the items, I first want to say thank you so much for watching my channel. If this is your first time here, let me introduce myself. My name is India, and I create videos about natural hair, skincare, all the things beauty, lifestyle, and business. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and check out some of my videos. I will leave some of my recent videos in the description box for you. So without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. Alright, so we're going to start with Sephora. So I am VIB with Sephora. I've been VIB for the past 3 years, I think now. Which is crazy because I never used to shop at Sephora, but I love to get all my skincare from there. And I like to get some stuff from Ulta too, but shopping at Sephora is really good. They have some really good stuff. And I didn't go crazy. I only got a few things, so I'm going to jump right into the box. Here's my box. Alright, so the first thing I got was... everything's still in the plastic, sorry. The first thing I got was the First Aid Beauty Ingrown hair pads with BHA and AHA. And this here, I've been hearing so many good things about, and I definitely wanted to try it. This one has 28 pads in it, so it should last about a month, which is good. If you are anything like me, like if you get waxed or even if you shave, you may experience getting ingrown hairs and stuff like in those bumps and stuff. Like if you get that, even if you exfoliate regularly and clean and do all the things, like sometimes those ingrown hairs still happen, and I get them. So I've been looking for something to try to help with that, and like I said, I've heard so many good things about these pads here, so I'm definitely gonna try them out. If you guys are interested in a review, just let me know, and I'll use them for about a week or so and see, you know, if I see anything, see like a difference. And if I do, I can definitely let you guys know how I feel about this. But yeah, I've been hearing a lot about this, and I definitely wanted to get my hands on it during the sale. The next thing I picked up was the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, and it's safe for sensitive skin. So it's pretty much like a exfoliant again. This one I am specifically, I didn't show you guys what it looks like, but this is it here. This one I am specifically planning to use this bump eraser one for my legs. So I have those little, I can't really tell, those little small fine bumps on my legs sometimes, and again, I've heard that this works really well on that. So I'm interested to see if that makes it go away or if it helps or makes a difference. So again, this is something new that I've been hearing works really well, and I want to try it out. So we'll see if it works. And it seems like this is a First Aid Beauty video, but it's not. I promise you it's not. And last but not least, this, what I'm about to show you right now, is the main reason for the whole purchase. Like, I've been waiting to purchase this specifically during the sale because it's expensive, and I was like, okay, it's expensive, but at least if I buy it during the sale, I get a little, you know, I get a little monies off, you know. So I purchased this deep conditioner. Now, y'all know I don't play about my hair, and y'all know when I tell you I like something, I really like it. And when I tell you something works, especially when it comes to the hair and skin, like, I'm not joking. So this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. It has no harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. And this is the large size. This is the 32 fluid ounce size. And y'all, it's huge, okay? This is what it looks like. And it's huge, and it has the pump. This is like a deep conditioning dream. So I'm actually subscribed to Curlbox, and I got the regular size. I think the regular size is like the 18 ounce, if I'm not mistaken. And y'all, I used this deep conditioner and my hair was just, I can't even explain it. Like, it was soft, it was shiny, it was everything. So I immediately went to go see, okay, where is this? I found it on Sephora and it was expensive. I was like, what? How much is this deep conditioner? How much is it? But you guys, when I tell you, it works so well and it's so worth it. So even if you get the small one, I bought the big one because this is my new favorite deep conditioner. Like, I love this. I love this. I love this. Okay, so if you want to try out a deep conditioner and you're not afraid to put a little coin towards your hair, this would be something I would definitely recommend you try. Okay, because it's everything, y'all. I would not have bought this big old tub of deep conditioner if it didn't work. All right, so they also sent me a sample of the Valentino Born in Roma. So I'm really into my fragrances, so I'm excited to see how this smells. If I like it, then I'll probably be purchasing the large size, but I think I'm gonna like it because I can kind of smell it here. But yeah, so that's the end of the Sephora haul. That's all I got. Like I said, I really only purchased that stuff to get the deep conditioner, if I'm honest. All right, now on to Ulta. So this is everything I bought from Ulta, so let's jump right into it. So I did get the Real Techniques Everyday Essential Brush Kit, and I got this because, I mean, I have a ton of brushes already, but sometimes, you know, you just need to refresh and update your brushes. And I actually don't have any of the Real Technique brushes, so I wanted to give them a try. I know everybody talks about them. I know I'm tardy to the party. I know I'm late. But again, Ulta was having a sale as well, so I wanted to try out these Real Technique brushes. And it even came with the sponge too, so I was excited about that. So I did get these. I also picked up this nail recovery kit for weak damaged nails, and it's by Nail Tech. The box is a little beat up though, but this is what it looks like here. And right now I have on, this is actually dip powder on my nails, but my nails are naturally like really weak and brittle. They always break. I can get them to grow, but they always break and they're like weak and thin. So I'm always a sucker to try to do and try anything to see if I can get them to grow harder and longer. So I'm gonna try this kit out here to see how well it works. Not sure if it will or not. Like I said, I've tried some other strengtheners and stuff like that and they don't work, but I heard some good reviews about this one, so I'm just trying out to see. I also picked up this Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in dark brown, and it has the spoolie at the end, and I think it's retractable. Is this one retractable? Yes, it is retractable, so you know, you can't go wrong with a brow pencil. And I think I already have this. I think I ordered this by mistake, but it's okay because you can't have too many brow pencils. And the final item that I received from this order is the value size Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, and this is the all-in-one waterproof. It removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. It cleanses, it soothes, no rinse, no harsh rubbing. It's for the face, lips, and eyes, and it's for all skin types, even sensitive. And this is it here. This is the really big one. This is it's 23.7 fluid ounces. And the reason why I bought the big one of this is because, you guys, I love this stuff. Like, it takes off all your makeup. When I say all of your makeup, it takes all of your makeup off, especially like eyeliner or mascara. I always have a hard time getting like all the mascara off. When I use this, I take it, it comes off with ease. Like, I don't even need to use a lot of it. It doesn't burn my eyes. It doesn't irritate my skin. Sometimes even when I do, like when I'm washing my face and doing my routine or whatever, sometimes I'll start with this. Like, I'll take a cotton round or something and like wipe my face with this first and then, you know, do my cleansing and stuff like that. Like, this stuff is really good. If you haven't tried it, I would definitely suggest you trying it. And again, y'all know if I bought it in the big if I bought it in the big size, I love it. So I love this. Okay, it works. And like I said, Ulta was having a sale, so I was like, why not get the big one and get it while it's on sale? And believe it or not, y'all, that is the haul. That's all I picked up. That was my Sephora / Ulta haul. If you've tried anything that I purchased or that I showed you, please let me know how you feel about it, what you think about it. If you have any recommendations for anything else, let me know. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go ahead and share it. Go ahead and share it. Okay, it's not gonna hurt. All right, y'all, I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.